everybody, welcome back to Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen. My name is Sonya Paz and I am your spice master here today. Hey, I hope that you're all bunkered in and staying safe out there. But I wanted to touch base with you really quick today to give you a recap on 3 really great recipes that I have had. Now, as you know, if you're a subscriber to my channel, you'll know that I have over 40 videos, 40 recipes for you using Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Sweet Candy Pickle Jalapeños. But before we get started, go down below and hit the thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell so that you can get notified when I have new videos. Now, being locked in the house, I have done a lot more meal prep these days than I normally do. And we haven't been going out, obviously. I don't really want to do takeout. I like cooking at home. So I've raided my pantry and I've raided my refrigerator and made some things that are not only yummy, but super flavorful, and it's comfort food, so it's super filling. Now, the first thing is egg salad. Now, I had a bigger bowl of egg salad, but Mark didn't know that this was for my video today, so he ate some for lunch, but that's okay, because that's all good. But it is my egg salad that has chopped up Sonya's Sweet and Spicy pickled sweet jalapeños in there, which takes your egg salad to a whole different level. Now, if you've seen my tuna recipe from last year, you're gonna know that that's a great recipe. It's super easy. Tuna, Sonya's Sweet and Spicy jalapeños, mayonnaise, some other little chopped up produce and spices makes your tuna just the bomb. Now, cheesy artichoke dip. Okay, so Mark loves this and I love this too. I don't usually just make this for guests, and as you know, we're not having guests over, but this is one of those recipes where you can make this and you can kind of snack on it during the day because, you know, it's yummy, it's cheesy, it's yummy, it's sweet, it's spicy, and it's amazing. Now, the other thing that when I raided my pantry, I realized I had 2 whole big boxes full of Chex mix and some pretzels. So a few months ago, actually it was around Christmas time, around November, December, I came up with my Sweet and Spicy Chex mix, which is to die for. It's, I didn't have the wheat Chex for this specific batch, but that's okay, because I got pretzels in there, I had some nuts in there, I've got my corn Chex and my rice Chex and my Sweet and Spicy, some butter, mix it all up, pop it in the oven, let it do its thing in there, toss it, put it in there for a little longer, and you end up with a yummy snack that is amazing. Now, I'm not going to be prepping all of this stuff here today, but I did want to just give a little shout out to you, let you know that I am here in the kitchen. I have been cooking, I've been prepping, I've been doing lots of other things in my Instant Pot, and I've gotten some other soups and stuff. Cleaned out my refrigerator the other day with celery and my chicken stock and some carrots. I had some potatoes in there, a potpourri of a bunch of different things, onions and even a little bit of cabbage. Put that all into the Instant Pot and made an amazing chicken soup. Oh, and I got my noodles. I had egg noodles out of the pantry and I threw those in there and it was amazing. And that fed us for about 3 or 4 days. But I had some left over, so I did put those in the freezer so that we can have it maybe next week. So here you go. Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen, where we are always chopping and slicing, dicing and cooking, roasting and toasting. Check us out here below at all of our social media. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and also on TikTok. Go figure. I hope you'll have a great rest of the week. Stay indoors, stay safe, do some great cooking. Let me know in the comments below of what you're cooking up with Sonya's Sweet and Spicy. We are still shipping orders, so don't worry. All of our items here are ready, that have been ready and packaged, pre-packaged in late last year, so these are completely safe, everything's good. But check us out online at sonyasweetspicy.com. Order up some. I'm gonna have a special if you put in the comment section of your order. If you order 3-pack or more, I'm gonna put a sampler of my nut mix, my herbed nut mix sampler in there for you. So check us out and shop online. That's it, everyone. Have yourself a great week, and we will talk with you later. Bye.